It is on the basis of the functioning of this type of manifestation of energy that many of the practices of Doggal and of the Yantig work. These practices will be discussed in the following chapters. It is the source of the 100 peaceful and wrathful deities which, according to the Bardo Troll or Tibetan Book of the Dead, arise in the experience of the Chernid Bardo, or Bardo of the Dharmata. And it is also the original source of the deities that are visualized by practitioners of the path of transformation in order to transform their impure vision into pure vision. Finally, it is precisely this level of their own energy that realized individuals experience as the Sambhogakaya, or body of wealth. The wealth referred to is the fantastic multiplicity of forms that may manifest at this level, corresponding to the essence of the elements, which is light, and which realized individuals do not perceive in dualistic terms. Tsal is the manifestation of the energy of the individual himself or herself as an apparently external world, but in fact the apparently external world is a manifestation of our own energy at the level of Tsal. Together with the arising of dualism, however, there simultaneously arises the illusion of a self-existing individual who feels separate from a world which he or she experiences as external. The fragmented dualistic consciousness takes the projection of the senses for objects existing independently and separately from the illusory self, with which it identifies and to which it clings. The example used to illustrate the illusory nature of our sense of separateness establishes a parallel between the way in which the individual's energy manifests and what happens when a crystal prism is placed in the light of the sun. When the sun's light falls on a crystal, it is reflected, refracted, and decomposed by it, causing the appearance of rays and forms in the colours of the spectrum, which seem to be separate from the crystal, but which are actually functions of the crystal's own nature. In the same way, what appears as a world of apparently external phenomena is the energy of the individual him or herself as perceived by his or her senses. In truth, there is nothing external to or separate from the individual, and all that manifests in the individual's field of experience is a continuum, fundamentally free from duality and multiplicity. This is precisely the great perfection that is discovered in Dzogchen.